So today we're already starting out the day with some issues.
Told you not to call here. It's not for sale. Quit texting me and aggravate.
It sucks completely. Right now my buyer and my paralegal are arguing back and forth on who did what and who should have done what for a closing that I have going on Thursday. And that kind of sucks because it's going to postpone me now from getting the money that we need and for my buyer to get the money that she needs in order to buy her new place. Huge inconvenience. I'm going to see how we can fix this, if we can fix this, and hopefully we can get something rolling with it. So great way to start the day, right? I currently only have, some marketing planned. Like all my days have been lately. We haven't been going out on many appointments because I'm still in the process of reconfiguring our marketing to retarget some new leads. At the same time, we still are following up with our follow-ups. We still are marketing and calling every single day. We just haven't gone out on appointment lately. So I'm gonna eat some breakfast real quick and see where the day brings me. Little bagel with eggs, bacon, and cream cheese, courtesy of my wife. Thank you, babe. I want to make a quick phone call real quick. Somebody actually called my mail line a month ago and I have not called them back. Nobody's actually called them, so I'm gonna see what they want or need.
At the tone, please record your voice message.
Hi, my name is Dan. I received a phone call from this phone number a couple of weeks ago. I'm guessing it's either an inquiry for selling a property or we contacted you about purchasing a property. When you can, please give me a call. My telephone number is 980. Such a beautiful day outside today. Yet gloriously, I'm stuck inside here in front of this computer. Usually I'm not in front of the computer for so long. These past couple of weeks, I've actually been in front of it more than usual just because we're shifting our marketing a little bit. I'm gonna try to start doing some direct mail, as well as I have to call some new people because the people that we've been calling them nonstop, back to back. So they're probably tired of us calling them now. So they're not really responding like they normally would, like on a fresh list. So one thing I want to talk to you guys about is, your consistency in marketing. How consistent are you guys? One of the biggest struggles that I had as a starting wholesaler is that I wasn't really consistent with my marketing and I wasn't consistent with my follow-ups. Those are the two real big key things in how to close deals consistently and how to get deals all the time, because those are your two main things. The more you hit them up and the more you contact them back and say, hey, how are you? Are you ready to sell? The more likely you are to get the deal done. But also today, as part of the normal daily grind, my buyer for the current property that I'm working on and my paralegal are arguing over loan documents of all things. So let's see how that plays out, because I'm really hoping this closes on Thursday because we just forked over a lot of money to help this lady move. And I repeat, I do not want this closing to fall out. If it does, I'll be super pissed, but it is what it is. We're gonna work through it and make sure that this thing gets done because I want my money. Plus, it's a large closing. It's like 35 grand. Definitely would like that in my pocket right now. Especially I'm thinking about starting a new business, but I'm not gonna tell you guys yet. Not until I get it rolling, then I'll tell you guys what I'm getting myself into. So right now I'm sorting out who I'm gonna send some mail to. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek of how many mailers are gonna go out and how many I've already done. So let me get back to work here and see what else the day brings. All right, so I was able to finish that up and I got another 100 mailers that I'm sending out. So my total count is 217 pieces of mail that goes out every 3 weeks. I was able to figure out finally how to set up Deal Machine where they'll automatically send out the mail every 3 weeks. The way I had it before, I don't know what was happening, but it was kind of glitching out and it wouldn't send mail at all. So what I did was I deleted everybody, or I exported the data first before I deleted everybody, and then I imported everybody that I wanted to mail all over again. So I'm gonna see how this works, or how well this works. We're gonna be sending out mailers every 3 weeks, and I'm gonna obviously record the response and see what our response rate is, and I'm hoping that it's pretty good. Well, we'll find out. As of right now, I'm probably gonna actually go driving for dollars later, so I'm just trying to finish up what I need to do right now, get a couple of phone calls made, and get some deals rolling to the closing table, whatever little issues that they might have, and hopefully this day will continue to be a good day. So just to give you a small update before we go driving, what a dumpster fire I had going on over there at my closing attorney's office. I haven't done a closing with one of my buyers having a loan in a while. They've all been cash transactions. And I come to find out the new closing attorney I've been using for the past 6 months does not prepare loan documents. Now for you new wholesalers, definitely find out if your closing attorney or title company will do the loan documents from a third-party loan company, because apparently not all will, and it's completely aggravated my entire day because now I gotta hire another attorney to create the loan documents to send it over from my closing that's supposed to be happening on Thursday, and I'm pretty sure it's not gonna happen on Thursday. I'm losing my mind. But let's go driving for dollars so I can cool off and try to pick up some other properties, because this one is definitely making my head spin. These are issues and problems that sometimes come up during closings, especially, you know, when you have closing attorneys that are not doing their job or are not telling you, hey, you know, by the way, if you have anything that's closing with a loan, we don't prepare the documents. Thanks a lot. I won't be disclosing the closing attorney just because I don't want to, you know, poop on them like that. So let's go driving. Let's get out of here. I'm tired of being in this office all day. When you're out driving, definitely don't get scared of properties like this. I mean, even though this property is pretty beat up, it looks like it's been abandoned for a long time. There's even a lock on the door. Yeah, let's get close to it real quick. You can tell it's vacant. Grass is high. You know, the door is boarded up. Don't be scared of stuff like this. This is the type of stuff that I make a ton of money on. We can make like $10,000 to $15,000 off of properties like that in a heartbeat. So definitely pick up houses like that, especially when you're out driving for dollars. We're out driving, also pick up vacant land like this. We also make anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 off of vacant land. So definitely take these chances, guys. Go out there, drive, find yourself some properties. Let's hop back in the car. I'm gonna see if I can pick up some more properties while I'm here. So that went pretty good. Picked up about 100 some odd properties. Pretty satisfied with it. My dumpster fire at my attorney's office is somewhat settled for right now. I actually hired another attorney to do the loan documentation for me, since the closing attorney that I'm using for the closing doesn't do it, and I'm pretty satisfied with how the day has gone. I mean, it was a little hectic. It was like hour and a half, 2 hours back and forth with these people, trying to figure something out, trying to make something work, trying to make sure that we could get this closing working. As far as I know though, I don't know if this is even still going to close on Thursday or not, which sucks for me because 30 grand that I have on the line there, and that's not including, well, that's including the $5,000 I've already invested into this closing. And I'm not even closing on this deal. Other than that though, it's all right. You know, things happen. This is wholesaling life. This is real deal right here. Sharing with you guys my real problems, my real issues, and my day-to-day activities for a reason, because I want you guys to see this isn't easy. You will have complications that come up. Yes, you get compensated well, but there is work involved. Not a get rich quick scheme. This is not, you know, you get rich overnight. You make a lot of money, but a lot of problems come with it. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me. I'm gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna keep vlogging. My goal is to make 365 daily vlogs, maybe even more. Maybe I might start vlogging on the weekends so you guys can see what I do on the weekends. Who knows? Possibilities are endless. Take it easy, everybody. I appreciate all of you. Hope you all are killing them deals out there, and I'll catch you guys on the next vlog.